Hey guys, good morning. Topic for today is triangle problems. Okay, we will solve two problems here. Uh, this is intended for engineering and high school students or even sa magtitake ng CSE, PPT exam. Okay, so start. In a right triangle, the hypotenuse is 13 and one leg is 15. Find the other leg. So, sinabi dito, right triangle. Okay, right triangle. So, we will have, okay, this is 90. Pag sinabing right triangle, may 90 siya. So, the hypotenuse is 13. This is the hypotenuse, the longest side. One leg is 5. So, this we will assume this is 5. So, find the other leg. So, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. So, sa Pythagorean theorem, ang longest side is C. So, the formula is C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So, the other leg, A ang hanapin natin. So, C is 13 squared is equals to A squared plus B squared is 5 squared. So this is 169. This equals to A squared plus 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So A squared is equals to 169 minus 25 is 144. So A, palit natin, square root of 144. So A is 12. Okay? Yan lang kadali. Next. Find the area of a triangle with side length 7, 8, 9. So, dito, gagawin natin dito is yung Heron's theorem or Heron's formula. Ang formula ng Heron's is finding the area given yung three sides is A is equals to square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay, so what is S? S is a semi-perimeter. So formula niya is ABC, A plus B plus C divide 2. Okay. So S is equals to 7 plus 8 plus 9 divide 2. So ang S natin is 12. 7, 8, 24, okay, 12. So ang hinanap is area. So we just distribute this to this side. A is equals to the square root of S is 12 times 12 minus A is 7 times 12 minus 8 times 12 minus 9. So A is equals to the square root of 12 times 12 minus 7 is 5, 12 minus 8 is 4, 12 minus 9 is 3. So A is equals to the square root of 12 times 5, 60, 60 times 4, 240 times 3, 720. So this is equals to 12 square root of 5. In decimal is 26.833 units. Okay? So ganun lang simple, no? Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. See you again to my other videos next time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys.